In BC, rain is helping in the fight against those wildfires. More than 20 millimeters fell overnight in some areas where fires are raging, and that has cleared the smoke for the first time in several days. More than 25,000 people are still out of their homes across BC. Some evacuation orders have been lifted, some travel restrictions loosened, but officials warn the danger has not passed. Neetu Garcha is in West Kelowna, where a travel ban is still in place. Neetu.
Yeah, Donna, the ban has been lifted in all other communities, but non-essential traffic is still being restricted to the city of West Kelowna for those staying in temporary accommodations. With the smoke having cleared for the first time since the inferno swept through this area on Thursday, the extent of the wildfire's destruction is being made clear. Officials here say the most challenging days are ahead as people and communities learn of what they describe as monumental loss. And they noted today there will be collective grief.
Filling up in Shannon Lake, nearly 20 helicopters are working in the West Kelowna area of BC's Okanagan Valley. Fire officials say they were helped by almost 22 millimeters of overnight rainfall.
Amazing how many homes are still standing.
Cleaner air means residents like Sandra and Arden Knoll are literally and figuratively breathing a bit better. With the smoke having cleared, they drove up to this area to see the mountainside they live on. They say it gives a clearer picture of the work firefighters did to save about 3,000 houses.
All these homes are still here. Like, what they did is amazing.
The Knolls say they were traveling back from Saskatchewan when flames approached their neighborhood.
Unfortunately, we didn't get back to our house before we were evacuated, but our house is still there.
For now, they're living out of a camper, like this family in Kelowna.
Anxious to get home.
Kirsten Furby says her family lived out of a camper until they were assigned a hotel room on Tuesday after leaving home on Friday, capturing these images of how close the flames were.
They're like, be prepared to evacuate immediately.
Do you have any official confirmation about whether your home is still standing?
No, we don't yet.
We can see the hill behind our house and it's not burnt.
Regional officials say evacuees need an unprecedented level of support, and the emergency support services have had a difficult time keeping up.
We've had large shipments almost daily coming in from Vancouver.
As volunteers like this group are working to help fill the gaps with donated supplies for evacuees and this box of care packages being taken straight to the fire department.
Thank you very much.
It's going to be very hard for us as a community to come out of this.
It's emotional, for sure. It's a traumatic event.
As families facing uncertainty about their homes find comfort in knowing no human lives have been lost in this fire and their loved ones are safe.
Officials say no homes were lost in the last 24 hours, but they have assessed a new total of 84 West Kelowna and West Bank First Nation properties damaged, with nearly 200 in the greater area. And with hundreds of people still out of their houses, they say there's still a lot more work to be done before more people can return home. Donna?
All right, Neetu, thanks.